Hello, cute little star. Let's learn some colors. Light green color, dark green color, dark blue color, orange color, violet color, red color, purple color, sky blue color, yellow color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. A for apple. B for ball. C for candy. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nuts. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sky. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for Z for zero. Let's learn some numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.